In this video, you will learn how to connect your HR and PTO data from BambooHR to Papaya Global. You can find all the prerequisites in the BambooHR Connection User Guide. Once you are logged in to the Papaya platform, click Integrations, and then click BambooHR. You'll see that you have the option to sync both HR and PTO data. It's important to note, however, that you are required to sync your HR data first. Once you successfully connect your HR data, follow these same steps to connect your PTO data. Click the Connect button to start the process. Enter your BambooHR subdomain in the field box and select the Connect button. A new window will open for you to log in to your BambooHR account. This is an OpenID process that connects, authenticates, and retrieves the API key. Once entered, click the Login button and you will be redirected to Papaya Integrations. At this stage, Papaya Global has mapped the data from your BambooHR fields to the Papaya platform. You'll want to take a moment to review that the data previews in each section correspond to the new Papaya Global field name, then click Save and Continue. Now you can see the number of workers that will be synced. Make sure this number is correct. Click the Finish button and the HR data from your BambooHR account will automatically sync to Papaya Global every day, ensuring that you never have to enter the same data twice. Thanks for watching.